We'll guide you through how to find a missing app icon on an Android phone home screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because perhaps you often go and use the app and now you can't go and access it. So you want to go and find it and get it back. So make sure it's this full guide, step by step, as there are different ways we can go about doing this. So hopefully at the end, we'll go and get it back and the problem will go and be resolved. So let's go and get right into this. So to go and get started, it may have just been moved to another page. You can try swiping across either way and go and see if you can come across it. Hopefully you can, and you can then go and open it up. If you still can't though, don't worry. The next thing you want to do is go and swipe up to go and open up the app pages. So drag up like so, and you can swipe across here and go and see if you can find it. It's likely in here. If you can't go and see it, try searching for it at the top. So I'll press search, and for example, let's say this was Prime, I could go and type it in. Then if you go and see it here, you can go and tap and hold it, and then you can go and press add to home, and we can then add it back, tap and hold it to go and drag it to where you want it to go and be, as you can see. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and open up the Play Store, as in case it's been deleted for some reason, and then what you can do is go and press search at the bottom, and then you can press search at the top and go and search for the app. So I could go and type in Instagram, for example, and go and search for that. And then when you go and see it, you can go and get it again by pressing install. When it's finished, we can then come out of here. And what you can do is you can go and swipe up and go and find it. Then you can tap and hold it, and you can go and press add to home. Tap and hold it, and you can then drag it to where you want it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.